Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into a power supply upgrade for Dell XPS desktops. Specifically, we're looking at the LXun L350AM-00, a 350W unit designed as a compatible replacement for several Dell models, including the XPS 8910, 8920, 8930, 8940, and others like the 8000, 8010, 8500, 8700, and 9010 metric ton series. It also fits some Inspiron models like the 5675, 5680, and 5676. If you're experiencing power issues with your Dell XPS or Inspiron, or perhaps planning a modest graphics card upgrade that requires a bit more juice, this LXun power supply could be a viable solution. It's designed to replace the AC 350AM-00, L350PD-00, D350PM-01, and PS 6351-6DF models, so compatibility seems pretty broad. The part numbers it replaces are 15D8R, 015D8R, and PCF001. The LXun L350AM-00 accepts a universal AC input of 100-240V, making it suitable for use in different regions. The DC output is rated at a maximum of 350W, which should be sufficient for many standard configurations and even some entry-level gaming setups. The unit features SATA connectors, which are standard for powering hard drives and SSDs. Installation should be straightforward, as it's designed to be a direct replacement for the original Dell power supply. Always remember to disconnect the power cord and take necessary precautions before opening up your computer case. LXun offers a 1-year warranty on this power supply, which is reassuring. They also state that all motor fans are rigorously tested before shipping, which is a good sign of quality control. And they offer full refund if you're not satisfied with the product. So, is the LXun L350AM-00 a worthwhile upgrade? If you're on a budget and need a reliable replacement for your Dell XPS or Inspiron desktop, it appears to be a solid option. The wide compatibility, standard wattage, and warranty provide peace of mind. Of course, always double-check the part numbers and compatibility with your specific Dell model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.